If you want your crypto assets to work harder for you than just leaving them to stagnate in your wallets as they rise and fall in value following market conditions, you can as well use them to earn new tokens. Enter Binance LAUNCHPOOL. LAUNCHPOOL is a secure way to earn new tokens. With Binance LAUNCHPOOL in particular, when you contribute your coins such as BNB and BUSD into a pool, it allows you earn or farm brand new coins. Binance LAUNCHPOOL was created in September 2020 during the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi. New crypto financial services allowed users to stake their crypto assets to provide funds into a liquidity pool and get rewards in return. This is a process known as yield farming. You will be required to leave your coins in the pool for a stipulated period of time, usually about 30 days. At the end of the staking period, you will get back the coins that you have staked, and during the staking period, you have the opportunity to unstake your pooled funds at any time. The amount of tokens you earn each day is proportional to the amount of tokens you have subscribed to the pool. The amount you earn or the amount you farm will be calculated in the following way. Tokens earned is equal to tokens added to the pool divided by total tokens in the pool. So for example, if you add 12 BNB to a pool with the total BNB in the pool being 100,000 BNB, if the maximum allocated to rewards is 3 million ATA, then the maximum ATA you will farm will be 360. Trading of the token is usually opened up on the 7th day of farming, at which point you can immediately trade any tokens you have earned. Decide which pool you want to stake your assets in. Now just enter the number of coins you want to contribute to the launch pool and then click stake. All the information that you would need to decide on which pool to invest in is right on the cover of each of the different pools. In this case, I could decide to stake BNB to earn ATA, stake DOT to earn ATA, or to stake BUSD to earn ATA. APY information is given for each of the various pools, the number of participants, and the total amount staked. So if I decide to go for this one, then we'll click on it. And here we have even more information. We have the total amount of BNB available for rewards. We have the total BNB actually staked. We're staking BNB to receive a 5.5% APY. The farming period is 30 days. And the amount of ATA in the pool for rewards is 560,000. This particular pool is completed, but normally top right of this page, you'll have how many days and hours are left till the pool is closed. To redeem your assets at any time, just click on the redeem button. And that is all it takes to use LAUNCHPOOL to farm new tokens on Binance.com using your assets. Well, that's all, folks. I hope you've learned something from this video. And if you have, the only thing I ask is that you hit that like button, comment below, because I do use your comments to better inform me of what other content to create. Share with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. That way you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And I'll meet you in the next video.